Alright, so I wanted to document the P0300 code I had on a 2003 GMC Safari. Little history real quick. I had bought it about 6 months ago. The guy did not take care of it. The first thing I did was the easy tune-up, was replace the plugs and the wires. Drove great for probably 3 months or so, and then all of a sudden I was driving to a job and I felt misfires. Drove it for about a day or two after, because I needed to finish the week out, because this is my work van and I work for myself. And so I thought I could fix it. So I looked online and did all of the probably issues. People said it's probably this, it's probably that, it's probably that, it's probably this. And so I did everything that, a basic mechanic could do. I'm not a car mechanic, auto mechanic, but I can do a lot of stuff. So I kept getting the same code, and after all the parts I replaced, nothing. I still have the same issue. So it got to the point where I just didn't have the time to do it, and I wasn't getting very far. So I took it to a mechanic. I dropped the vehicle off there for a day, and the mechanic called me and told me he thinks it's the spider injector. And I saw that online, and I did not want to have to do that. And he told me that they don't do it, so I could weekend warrior it. And then I went ahead and did it. I bought it and installed it myself. Wasn't really that bad. And start the vehicle up, and what do you think happened? Same thing, still misfiring. Then I noticed that the vehicle was running quieter, though, after replacing the injectors. And sitting here in the dark at 9 o'clock at night, not sure what to do, maybe it was 8, I noticed there was sparking coming down from here and on the other side. And I had just replaced these wires, not 3 months, maybe 4 months before. And the ones before that lasted 20 years, something, almost 20 years, 19 years, something like that. These lasted 3 to 6, or 3 to 4 or 5 months, something like that. So the point of this is, just because you already replaced it not long ago doesn't mean that it's not it. And to listen out for sparking if you have this code, and look into the vehicle when it's dark outside. Don't discount the fact that you already did it. That's it.